quick starters are the essential need-to-knows for new Can-Am riders.
Safely strapping your ATV or side-by-side down is the most important part of transportation of your vehicle. There's 1,000 different ways to tie it down, but I'm going to tell you the way we prefer to tie it down when we take long trips. The first thing I do is pick a quality ratchet strap. We typically use an 1.5 inch or a 2-inch strap that we really trust, because the last thing I want is for my side-by-side to come loose on the trailer. One of the biggest things to consider is picking a tie-down point as close to the wheels and tires as possible. The reason to do this is to stay away from the spring or the bounce of the suspension, where it could potentially loosen a ratchet strap or even break it. We like to run the ratchet straps the full length of the vehicle, meaning we take the strap from the front and pull it towards the rear, and we take the strap from the rear and we pull it towards the front. Also, we like to crisscross the straps. We typically like the ratchet straps to be as parallel to the vehicle as we can, and we definitely stay away from tying the vehicle straight up and down. Again, this is just our method of tying our vehicles down over thousands of miles of transporting our ATVs and side-by-sides. So for more videos and more tips, you can go check them out at canamoffroad.com.
Keep watching our Quick Starters videos to get riding as soon as possible.